Alright, Secret DIY here, and today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to show you how to put a hinge in this door. Now this is going to be my back gate. Obviously there's going to be more videos on it, but this is one of them. Basically I just want to start off, these are the tools you're going to need. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it with a hammer and chisel. And then I'm also going to show you how to do it with a router, how I like to do it with a flat bit. I've got my cordless router, but you can do it with a chisel and a hammer, which I'm going to show you that way as well. You'll need a Stanley knife as well, just to score it, to make sure that it just makes it easier to stop any splintering out. So a few things that we've got to go through. Basically you've got obviously your hinge. I'll show you this. There's different hinges I'm putting on. I'm putting reinforced outside hinges on, but they look different from this, but your normal hinges here. So you've got that one there, you've got that one there, and you've got that one there. Now basically what you want to be doing, you want to be putting the two on the door. So the two wants to be lying on the door like this. So you've got your hinge side here, got your hinge side here. That's the side I want it to open on and everything. So what you want to be doing is you want to be putting the two, which is them two there, on the door like so, like that. So you sink that into your, basically you're sinking this hinge into here. The reason for that is because the frame will hold the door, and it'll be the strongest, because what will happen is the frame will hold all the door in and the door at the same time. So what you need is these three to be on the frame, and that gives it the full strength for the door. So that's the first thing. So the second thing that you need to know is you need to know how far to go down. So how I like to do it is I like to do it in mil. Now if you're an inch man, it's 6 and 9. So 6 from the top, 9 to the bottom, from the bottom. But I like using mil. So it's 150 mil to the top. That's where you want your hinge. So your 150 mil is here. And then it's 225 at the bottom. So you measure 225 from the bottom, and that's where you want your bottom of your hinge. So your top of your hinge is 150 and your bottom of your hinge is 225 on your obviously on the bottom. So I'm going to go mark that now. So once you've marked them, that's basically it. That is for a normal average door. I want one in the middle, but all I'll do is I'll just mark these out, and then I'll just do these two, and I'll show you how to do it now. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So first thing we're going to be doing is this. We found out where our mark is there, so there's my 150. So put my 150 on there, like so. Now you've got a little bit here, goes there, that goes on the edge of the door like so, on here. So this bit here going all the way down there goes on the edge of the door, so that's where you want it. So you put your mark there, go on the edge of the door. Then it's just a case of drawing around it, like so. Right. So once you've drawn around it, you've got your thing, you know where your mark is, so you can't go wrong now. So after that, you want your Stanley knife. Your Stanley knife is here, like so. You basically just want to go around it all like so. Don't go off the breathing track like. Just lightly, that's all you need to do. Once you've done that, then it's just a case of putting your chisel, getting your chisel and going from that side first and just tapping it. Like so. Tap it like that and tap it the same at the bottom. Then go all the way across like this. Just staying on the line as you go along. Now once you've done that, another thing what you want to be doing is you need to know how far down you need to go. So you get your edge here and you put this on there like so, like that, and then you just pull it along, put your pencil mark along. And that pencil mark here that I'm going across here is at your edge of where you need to be. Then it's just a case of getting this side of the chisel here, okay, and putting it against there. So the flat side, you should see the flat side as you go in. Then you just tap on your side here like so. And then you just start going in like so. Now that's what it should look like. There's your mark going across what I did. And as you can see, put all the flaps. Now it's a case of this. There's me. I'm going to come in like this now. Like so. So all the chisel is going to push through there. And it's going to start taking all this out round here. So with that said, let's show you that bit now. It's just a case now of always keeping your fingers behind the blade. So now basically, as you can see, fits like a glove. So I'm not going to use the standard screws here because this is a bit of a bigger door, so I've got my own screws, so I'm going to use bigger ones. But obviously they would come, and to be fair, I've lost them. But I'm going to use bigger ones because a lot stronger. I want the door to be stronger when I put it in the gate. So once you've done that, what you need then is you need this here. And you want to be drilling into this side here, okay, that side of the pull. And the reason is because it's going to pull it in and push it into there to neaten it all up. So if you come here, you basically want to be doing this like this. Put it on that side there, screw in. All your holes. Once you've done that, get your screws. Like so, put them on there. And then it's just a case, screwing through. And now it's just a case of continuing on all four. So let's get on with the next hinge. So what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did last time. Marked it all up like so. But what you're going to do, you're going to use a router now. So all you do is, no battery in by the way, is you've got your spade bit here, like so. And all you do is you lift it when I can get it in place. So you lift it to there like so, and just keep lifting it until you get to your desired depth like that. Pull that off. Double check, which I'll show you. There we go. Spot on. So that now should take everything out. And let's get cracked on with that. So my camera decided to run out, nightmare, but I've left it for today, so it's the next day now, so I've to show you what I'm going to do. So I've routed all this bit out now, as you've just seen a minute ago, well, yesterday, and basically this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I've only gone up, I haven't gone right up to the line like so, so I've still left the pencil line on. So what you do now is you get your chisel and you chisel all that out like this, just like I did on the first one. Is basically you go across like this. Make sure you go across, hammer them bits in, then hammer down this line here, then tap away this way, just take it out like so, dead easy. And this way a bit. This way a bit, tap that bit out, just in case, just cleaning everything up, like so. Make sure your hands are out of the way. There we have it, all fit in. If you like to come and have a look, there you go, all sounds a pound, no problems. And then it's just a fact of just repeating the thing with the holes that I showed you, and then that's it, you're sorted, and you've got everything all up, set and running. And there's your door, and there's obviously your hinges in your door. So there we go, and then we have it. That's it for this exciting episode. I hope you like what I've been showing you. I showed you with the router, and I've showed you the way I do it with the chisel. I prefer the router, find it much easier, and actually to get a router and to get just one chisel and a hammer, it's actually cheaper than buying a full set. So that's why I like to use it. I find it more efficient, I find it much quicker. Anyway, I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.